the most awesome thing that I made. Connect a 40-watt reflector lamp with my 160 microfiber. After connecting like this, my microfiber lamp works like a original microfiber lamp. It doesn't work like a self-balanced one. Let me fire it up. You can see just the microfiber. You can see glows red. See, there's a arc tube right there. There's glows pink. But you can see here is going very red. It won't warm up to a bright white color. But you can see that the filament inside is off. When it reaches to the highest light color, it still runs like red. And it's just warm, so you can touch it. It's very awesome. But this light can change it. But actually it's fucking hot, so I need a tissue paper to block the heat or make fast. Put it right there. I've got a 15-watt right here. It's very awesome. Today is fucking hot. I've got a runny nose. Watch this lamp. This one is gonna run. Oop. Unstable. First time. Very awesome. Just flashing frequently. This one also. It's going to be bad. Alright. I've got one more. 60-watt. Watch this lamp. A lot more awesome. A lot more white, but still is pinkish. Right in here and here. See that filament's very bright. You can see the shape of this right here. Glows a lot more whitish, but still pinky. You see, a lot more white. Still is pink. You can see here. Still runs pink. Color rendering is a lot more better. And see, this one is turns off like a halogen lamp. This one's also very hot. Actually, it's fucking hot. I've got something fun. Oh, what's mine? I've got my 14-watt. You see surfing YouTube right here. See, this is my account, WikiHK. Gotta wait for it. Run on CFL is a lot more fun, but a lot more awesome. Alright, let's see, my 14-watt, smaller than that one. The rating is, let's see, what happened? Flashing frequently. This one is also. We'll run it. See, the film is glowing. So this is a bad choice to run the lamp like this. Alright, screw it off. My 14 watt. I've got one more. That's it. You can see it's small, and it's I don't know if you can see or not. It's 11 watt. My memory card is a 2 GB drive, but still have 11 minutes left. But that's enough for me. Try this 11 watt. Watch this. What happened? Flashing causes cold. Right here is flashing. So this one only works better with this type of lamp, but this one's bad. Sorry, I've got a running nose. 15 watt back. Definitely cannot see the lamp. It's very clear. We're unstable now. What the hell is that? Going back filming. So it went bad. That one right there. Running awesomely. Still running on red. With the Foxbird color. I think this one might on. Awesome way to run micro paper. South belt. And if it looks like this, is okay. Maybe you can even touch it because it's not hot. Oh, please wait. You will see it does like a self-belt smoker here with the incandescent color. Very awesome. Oh, that's it.